Hey guys, today we're diving into the ultimate guide on how to create AI-powered email responses using your own knowledge base. Whether you're looking to save time, enhance your response accuracy, or completely streamline your email management, this video has got you covered. We'll be walking you through every step so you'll know exactly how to set up this powerful automation and start seeing the benefits immediately. Ready to get started? Let's dive in. First off, a big thank you for coming back and a warm welcome to all the new subscribers joining us today. If you're new here, I'm Jake, and I'm here to guide you through the latest in AI-driven sales automation and workflow hacks, all presented in a way that's easy to follow and implement. As always, everything we cover in these videos is designed to help you succeed. These aren't just theories, but practical, actionable strategies you can start using right away. And if you're looking to take things further, be sure to check out the school community link below. It's packed with exclusive Make.com templates, including the exact one we're using in today's tutorial. These templates are easy to import and use immediately, so you can get your automation up and running in no time. It's super easy. Just grab one of these templates, click on the three dots to import the blueprint, select the file, and hit save. Plus, you'll find a whole community of like-minded learners and doers ready to help you out and share their insights. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button to stay updated on our bi-weekly videos, live sessions, and more. Let's jump right in. All right, today we're going to set up a powerful automation that will completely transform the way you handle customer emails. Imagine being able to automatically respond to customer inquiries using AI. No more manually crafting each response, no more repetitive work, and a massive saving in time for you and your team. This setup is especially useful for sales and support teams who are constantly dealing with incoming emails that often ask similar questions or require similar types of information. Here's how the whole process will work. When a new email arrives in your inbox, it will trigger an automation workflow in Make.com. This workflow will read the content of the email and send it over to ChatGPT, which acts as our AI assistant. ChatGPT will then analyze the email, consult a knowledge base that you've provided, and generate a thoughtful, personalized response. This response will then be sent back to your email, where it will appear as a draft, ready for you to review or send with just one click. What makes this setup incredibly powerful is the combination of Make.com's no-code automation platform with ChatGPT's AI capabilities. Make.com allows us to connect multiple apps and services together without needing to write any code, making the entire process of setting up this automation easy and accessible, even for beginners. On the other hand, ChatGPT brings in the intelligence factor. It doesn't just generate generic responses. It can craft replies that are specific and tailored based on the knowledge base that you provide. This knowledge base could be anything: FAQs, product information, customer service guidelines, or any reference material that AI can use to generate informed and contextually appropriate responses. With this setup, you can streamline your workflow, save time, and improve the quality of your email responses without losing that personal touch. All right, let's start by getting our AI assistant ready. First up, head over to OpenAI and create an account if you haven't already. It's straightforward. Just sign up, confirm your email, and log in. OpenAI is the technology that powers ChatGPT, one of the most advanced AI models available today, capable of understanding context and generating human-like responses. Now, you'll need to set up billing. It's crucial because you'll need access to the API that powers the AI model we'll be using. Don't worry, it's straightforward. Just click on the settings icon and head over to the billing page in the left navigation bar. From there, go to payment methods, where you can easily add or update your credit card details. OpenAI offers a range of pricing tiers, so you'll find something that suits your needs. And don't stress, all changes are saved automatically, so no need to hit that save button every time. Now, with billing out of the way, it's time to create your assistant. Start by clicking the dashboard in the top navigation bar, then the assistants from the left-hand menu that appears. Next, let's get creative with the name. For example, I'm calling mine Customer Care Bot. Feel free to pick something that reflects your brand's personality. Think of the name as a label. It's not just a bot, it's a part of your team now. You want your assistant to be able to respond to emails based on the text file we'll provide, so make sure you're using clear and simple instructions when setting it up. Here's an instruction template that you can use to guide you through this. And of course, you can find this instruction template alongside other templates in the community. Once you've named your assistant and added some instructions, you'll need to enable file search. This is where the magic happens. Turn on file search and upload your knowledge base. a collection of FAQs, product info, service details, or any other relevant data. The assistant will use this info to craft email responses that sound like they came from you. In your text file, it's a good idea to start by including email templates for how you want your email responses to look. This way, your assistant will stick to your tone of voice and deliver messages that feel consistent with your brand. By providing clear examples of how you'd normally respond, you're ensuring that the assistant can mirror your style, whether it's casual and friendly, professional and to the point, or anywhere in between. The more specific and tailored these templates are, the better the assistant will handle future emails. Each email template should start with the triple apostrophe. This tells your assistant to follow your text exactly as written without making any changes. By formatting it this way, you're ensuring that the assistant sticks to the script and delivers responses exactly as you've outlined. This is a simple yet powerful way to maintain control over the tone and style of your emails, keeping everything consistent with how you'd personally respond. In terms of your text file, you can upload a PDF, a docx, or any format that contains your key data. The better the information you provide, the more accurate and helpful your assistant will be. Remember, the goal here is to give the AI enough context to provide thoughtful and informed responses. It's all about making sure your assistant sounds like they're a part of the team, consistent, knowledgeable, and on brand. If you're wondering how to put together a solid knowledge base that the AI can easily understand, we've got a series of ChatGPT prompts in the community that might help. These prompts are designed to help you think through and organize the information that you want the AI to reference, ensuring it responds the most accurate and relevant way. You can customize them to suit your needs, making it easier to build a comprehensive knowledge base that works well with the assistants. Now, let's jump over to Make.com. If you haven't already, create an account and sign in. If you don't know what Make.com is or how to use it, don't worry, I've got you covered. I've made a short tutorial just for you, and I'll pop it on the top right side of this video right about now. This will give you a quick rundown on the platform so you can follow along with ease. Now let's go back to it. Once you're on the dashboard, click Create a New Scenario. This is where the magic happens. Scenarios are essentially workflows that automate tasks between different apps and services. Hit that big plus sign to add a module, and let's search for Gmail. We're going to select Watch Emails as our trigger because we want the automation to activate whenever a new email comes in. Now connect to your Gmail account. If you have a personal Gmail account, meaning your email ends in gmail.com, you'll have to go through a few more steps to connect your account to Make.com for free. But don't worry, I've made it easy for you. I've attached a video in the description below from Make.com that walks you through the process step by step. It's quick, and once you're done, you'll be able to automate your emails. Now for our Gmail module, select the folder you want to monitor. For this example, let's just stick with the inbox and only focus on unread emails with a maximum of one email at a time. That way, as soon as a new email arrives, our automation will kick in action. You can set more specific criteria if needed, like filtering by sender or subject, keywords, but for now, keeping it simple is key. Once the trigger is set up, click the plus sign again and search for OpenAI. Select the Message and Assistant action as our next step. This module allows us to send the content of the email directly to the assistant that we just created, which will then generate a response. If you haven't connected your OpenAI account yet, don't stress. I've attached a short tutorial just for you in the description below. This quick guide will walk you through how to get your API key and organization ID. Once you followed that tutorial, you'll be able to copy your API key and organization ID into Make.com. These two pieces of information link Make.com with OpenAI, giving the assistant access to generate email responses automatically. Now, in this step, we're crafting the message that we want to send to the assistant. You're going to want to write something like, respond to this email, followed by 3 apostrophe symbols to tell ChatGPT that this is a quoted text. Then add the content from the Gmail module specifically, the text content of the email that triggered the automation. This way, the AI knows exactly what it's responding to. Finish it off with 3 more apostrophe symbols to close the quote. This format helps the AI to clearly understand what the input is and what needs to be done. Make sure to select the assistant you just created in the Assistant dropdown. This step is crucial because it directly connects the incoming email content to the AI's processing power. We're almost there. Next, click the plus sign again and add another Gmail module. This time we're going to choose Create a Draft. This step will automatically generate a draft email in your Gmail account using the response generated by the AI. Choose the Drafts folder for your email. This way the response will save as a draft ready for you to review. Select the recipient from the first Gmail module and place it with the reply to tag so it sends back to the original sender. For the subject line, set it up as followed by the original subject. For the content of the email, it should be the text generated by the OpenAI assistant. To do this, go to Content, then Text, and finally select Value to get the AI-generated response. Once that's set, click OK, and boom, you're all set up. Now you have an intelligent system that not only reads your incoming emails, but also crafts thoughtful responses and prepares them for you to review. Now it's time to test this automation. I'm going to send myself an email asking about, say, pricing for a service. The email comes in, Make.com detects it, sends the content to our AI assistant, and within seconds, we've got a draft response ready to go in Gmail. No typing, no searching through old emails for standard replies. It's all done automatically. Let's go ahead and click Run Once on Make.com to see it in action. You'll see it checks for new emails, sends a request to OpenAI, and then drafts a response. And there it is, a perfectly tailored response based on our knowledge base, sitting in my draft folder, ready to review and send. How cool is that? Imagine the time saved on daily tasks like responding to repetitive queries or writing out basic information. Instead, you can focus on more strategic activities like engaging deeply with customers, closing sales, or developing new business strategies. Now let's talk about the pros and cons of this setup. On the plus side, this system saves a ton of time and reduces repetitive tasks for your team, freeing them up to focus on more important things like closing deals or building relationships with customers. It's highly efficient because the AI works around the clock and can handle hundreds of emails without getting tired or needing breaks. The AI is highly customizable, so the more you refine your knowledge base, the better your responses will be. You can continuously update the knowledge base to include new products, updated service details, or revised pricing structures, ensuring that your automated responses are always accurate and up to date. However, there are some things to keep in mind. First, the initial setup requires some effort. You've got to create a comprehensive knowledge base, configure OpenAI, and set up Make.com. This might be a little bit overwhelming if you're new to these tools, but it's well worth the investment in time. Second, you need to monitor usage, as OpenAI API calls do have costs. Depending on the volume of emails you're handling, these costs could add up, so it's important to keep an eye on that and optimize wherever possible. But overall, the benefits far outweigh these small hurdles. You get an automated system that improves response times, increases customer satisfaction, and optimizes your workflow. For those looking to take this even further, consider setting up additional filters in Make.com to fine-tune when and how responses are generated. For example, you could create different workflows for different types of emails. One for customer inquiries, another for support requests, and another for sales leads. You can even start integrating this system with a CRM like HubSpot or Salesforce to keep everything in one place and track all customer interactions seamlessly. This would allow you to manage follow-ups, track customer journeys, and analyze data to improve your overall sales and support strategies. And don't forget, you can schedule these scenarios to run automatically, say every 15 minutes, so you don't have to manually trigger the automation each time. This means your email automation setup is truly on autopilot, constantly working in the background to keep things moving smoothly. Now, you've got a solid foundation on how to build this automation. Today, we've set up a powerful AI-driven email responder that's going to save you time and help you provide quick, accurate, and helpful responses to your customers. The best part is that you can keep refining and expanding on this setup as your needs evolve. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future videos. And if you want to dive even deeper into automating your workflows, check out our school community link below. It's packed with resources, templates, and a supportive network of like-minded professionals who are all about taking action and optimizing their business processes. Thanks for watching. I'm Jake Dawson, and I'm here to make your business smarter, faster, and more efficient. Keep automating, and I'll see you in the next video.